Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gencast. So couple of 10-15 minutes back we were resolving the ES6 challenges, and now we'll go into the regular expression challenges. So regex is one of the special feature which will be available across all the languages. So let's say like if you want to trim a text, you want to find a text, you want to replaces text. Mostly like most of the developers will go for regex, and it's pretty easy to understand regex. So let's look at some of the regex problem here. So regular expressions are special things that represent a search pattern, also known as regex or regexp. They help programmers match, search, replace text. Regular expressions can appear cryptic because as few characters have special meaning. The goal is to combine the symbols and text into a pattern that matches what you want, but only what you want. This section will cover the characters, a few shortcuts, and the common uses for writing regular expressions. So let's dive into the problem first. So let's count, like we have around 20 problems. Let's try to complete all the 20 for today using test methods. Test method is something like which will evaluate the text and will return either true or false. So here, like if you JavaScript, so I'm not reading the content, just writing this things problem alone. If you want to find the word there in the string, the dog chased the cat, you could use the following regex there. Notice that the quote marks are not required within regex. JavaScript has multiple ways to use regex. One way to test a regex is using test method. The test method takes the regex, applies a string, which is placed into parentheses and returns true or false. So let's test is something like a compare value. If the value is same, then it will return true. If not, it will return false. So in this example, we have given the text hello world, and we want to look for the text hello. So if the hello matches with the hello, if the text hello matches with any of the word hello my string hello world, then we should return true. If not, we should return false. So this will be something like let test change this line. So my regex dot test my string. So just run this code. This should return yes, done. Now we need to go for match. Regular expression match literal strings. In the last example, you search for the word hello using the regular expression hello. That regex search for a literal match of the string hello. Here's another example searching for a literal match of the string Kevin. Let test string equal to hello my name is Kevin. Let test string regex equal we need to search for Kevin, and then we need to look for the match. If it match, then return true. Any of the forms will not for example, if Kevin will not match Kevin or Kevin, we should return false. So let wrong regex equal to Kevin. A future challenge will show how to match those other forms as well. Complete the regex valdo regex to find valdo in the string valdo hiding with a literal match. So we just want to say like valdo. I think this will return false here. Regex expression, regular expression match a literal string with different possibilities. So using regex like coding, you can look for the pattern coding on a string. This is a powerful to search strings, but it's limited to only one pattern. You can search for multiple pattern. This operator matches patterns either before or after. For example, if you wanted to match yes or no, the regex you want is yes or no. You can also search for more than just two patterns. You can do it by adding more patterns with OR operators. So within the search, we can use OR operator. So let's write this change like we just want to write more OR operators within this what is it? Backslashes. So we just want to combine all those words here. So for that we say like dog, pipe, pipe, pipe. Cut, copy this and paste it here. Yeah. Now like if any text from here dog matches with here, then it will return true. If cat matches with the pet string, then it will return true. If bird matches, it will return false. If fish is going to match any of the, currently it is not this, so it will return false. So let's run the test cases. Yeah. So ignore case while matching. Up till now you have looked at regex to do literal matches of string, but sometimes you might want to match case differences. Case differences is the difference between uppercase and lower. For example, uppercase A, B, C, examples of lowercase. You can match both cases using what is a flag I. What is a flag? There are other flags, but here you will focus on ignores the I. You can use it by appending the regex, an example of using I. So let's say like my text is having freecodecamp, and the text which I want to find has a capital F. We don't want to change the capital F into free. Rather, we can just specify an ignore case after that slash, and we just want to write something like FCGX. Yes. Try to regex to match free code camp. I'm sorry. No matter its case. Free code camp. That's it. Hey guys, just wait for a few minutes. I'll be back. Okay. Hi, I'm back. Yeah, so let's move to the next problem. Regular expressions. Extract matches. So far, you have only been checking if a pattern exists or not within a string. You can also extract the actual matches you found with the match method. To use match method, apply the method on a string and pass it in regex. So let's say like earlier we use test method to return a for true or false. Now when you are going to use match, it will return the match text. So here we in the example we have like hello world, and then we use this match syntax with hello. Finally it returns an hello text. So same thing, we just want to do it for the example. Like here they gave like extract string as extract the word coding from the string, and then coding regex is changes. So we just want to change this line, and the result we just want to print it here. So it should be something like match the opposite of test. So we just want to say like change. So instead of change, we just want to note match syntax is the opposite of test method we have been used. Apply match to the extract the word coding. So this will be like coding text. Coding regression is going to be coding. Okay. Now this is going to be like extract string dot match coding regex. Yeah, that's it. Yes. So now regular expression. Find more than the first match. So far you have been able to extract a search a pattern once. Let test string repeat, output string repeat. Test string match our return string repeat. To search or extract more than once, you use a G flag. Okay. So in the previous example, we use I to ignore, and if we want to recursively search across the entire string, then we just want to say like G. So here we have like twinkle twinkle little star, and then we just want to say like start regex. Here we want to change the line, and here we just want. So we just want to search for that twinkle across the text. If we just use a normal match without this global indicator, then it will look for the first twinkle with caps. It won't look for the second one. In order to look for further deeper level, use a global identify G. So here we just want to say like, so this is going to be like extract the text G and then say G. And here we just want to say like dot write like match and then star regex. We'll compile this code, run the test. Okay, I'm sorry, like I just will say I also to ignore this case. Done. Let's see how many problems are still there under regex. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for today's session, we will complete till match beginning string patterns, and rest we will do it maybe next week. Yeah. Regular expressions match anything with the wildcard period. Sometimes you won't know the exact characters in your pattern. Thinking all of words that match says misspelling would take a long time. Luckily, you can save time using the wildcard character. The wildcard character dot will match any one character. The wildcard character is also called dot and period. You can use the wildcard character just like any other character in the regex. For example, if you wanted to match hug, hut, hum, you can use the regex hu dot to match all the four words. Okay, so let's try with the wildcard character. Complete the regex, unregex, so that it matches run, sun, fun, pun, and your regex should use a wildcard character. Here we need to use this wildcard character before the text, so it will be something like say like dot un. Yes, then it should find. So it will return fun here. That's it. Let's see. So here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll solve next 10 problems. Regular expression: match single character with multiple possibilities. You have learned to match literal patterns and wildcard character. Those are the extremes of regular expression where one finds exact matches and other matches everything. There are options that are a balance between the two extremes. You can search for a literal pattern with some flexibility with character classes. Character classes allow you to define a group of characters you wish to match by placing them inside the square brackets. For example, you want to match bag, big, bug, but not bog. You can create a regex. Okay, within that, so AI use a character that will only match. Okay, so in this example, big, bag, bug. So we say like AIU, only those characters will be matched. Let's look at the example. So code sample is beware of bugs in the above code. I have only proved it correct, not tried it. Be sure to use a character class within vowels AEIO in regex vowel regex to find all the vowels in the string code sample. So we just want to change this one. Be sure to match both uppercase and low, so then it should be I. Use a character with vowels. So for character class, say like A E I O U. Yeah, that's it. Dot match. That's it. So let's run the text. Regex vowel should use a character class. Okay, so we miss this global indicator, so we just use global. So this should be this one. I think somewhere I'm doing wrong. So for example, use a character class vowels with in your regex to find all the vowels in the code strings code sample. So what all test cases got vowel regex match is not. I'm sorry, I'm totally sorry. Pakistan. So this will be something like yeah. So I have wrongly flipped that text. Regular expression: match letters of alphabets. You saw how you can use character sets to specify a group of characters to match, but that's a lot of typing when you need to match a large range of characters. Fortunately, there is a built-in feature that makes it short and simple. Inside a character set, you can define a range of characters to match using hyphen character. For example, to match lowercase character letters A through E, use A hyphen E. Let's look at the example. Cat string cat, bat string bat, mat string mat. and A to E, so we will look for A to E. Cat string match breaks, so returns catch, so match all text. Be sure to be sure to match both uppercase and lowercase. So first we just want to say like global and ignore case. Now we just want to say like we just match all characters in the code sample. Okay, so we just will call it like A to Z, and now we say like dot match code sample dot match alphabet regex. Now run the test. Your alpha regex should match all 35 items. So this will be like dot I'm sorry, I have added one more thing. Yeah, that's it. So let's see how many problems you have to complete. Okay, match numbers and letters of alphabet. Using hyphens to match a range of characters is not limited to letters. It also works to match with numbers. So 0 to 5 means it will look for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, it is possible to combine a range of filters and numbers in a single character. Let Jenny string equal to Jenny. Let my regex equal to A to Z, 0 to 9, IG. Match all letters and numbers in the Jenny string. So create a simple regex that matches a range of letters H to H and S and range of numbers 2 to 6. So H to S and then 2 to 6. Then we go with GI. So code sample dot match my regex. Yeah, we'll see whether it's no regex somewhere it is wrong. Okay, wrongly kept it here, so there should be GI. Yeah, so still we have like 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So far we have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll complete till here. Match beginning string pattern. Regular expression match single character not specified. You have created a set of characters that you want to match, but you could also create a set of characters that you don't want to match. These type of character sets are called negated character sets. To create a negated character set, you place a caret behavior character after the opening bracket and before their characters you don't want to match. For example, AEIOU global indicate then ignore case matches all characters that are not a vowel. Note that characters like dot, exclamation, square bracket and one match. The negated vowel characters are set only excludes the vowel characters. So when you use a pipe, it's a cap one, it match the it doesn't match those characters, and apart from that, others will be matched. Create a single regex that matches all characters that are not a number or a vowel Remember to include appropriate flags in the regex. So first we go with the default one, gi, yes. And now our scenario is like um, it should not all characters are not a number or a vowel. So first we'll look for vowels a, e, I, o, u, and then the numbers 0 to 9, and we'll go with this pipe symbol. Okay, yeah. So now my regex dot I'm saying, so code sample dot match my regex. Let's run that code. Okay, so should match 9 items. So what is this? Your regex should match 9 items. I'm sorry, so totally sorry. So I just want to keep it here. Yeah, forgot to do that. Yeah, done. Match characters that occur one or more times. Sometimes you need to match a character that appears one or more times in a row. This means it occurs at least one and may be repeated. You can use a character to check if that is the case. Remember, the character or pattern has to be present consequently. For example, A plus G would find one match ABC and return A. Because of the plus, it would also find it would also find a single match A and return A. If it were instead checking the string A, B, B, A, it would find two matches and return A. Because A characters are not in row, there is a B between. Finally, since there is no A in the string BCD, it won't match. You want to find matches when letter S occurs one or more times in Mrs. B. Write a regex that uses plus sign. So first of all, we always go with the global GI. Then you say like S plus. Now it will try to look for more than one time. Yeah. Then run the test cases. Yes, done. Okay. So match characters that occur 0 or more times. For this challenge, Chibi code has been initialized as okay. Behind the scenes, create a regex Chibi regex that uses the star character to match an uppercase A character immediately by 0 or more lowercase a character in A. Your regex does not need flags or character class, and it should not match any of the other codes. So this is something like Chibi code created that uses star character match uppercase A. So A then star. That's it. Just run the test cases. Chibi code has been initialized as A behind scenes. Create a regex that uses star character to match an uppercase. Okay, so okay, I think star should come in front. Let's run it. Oh, sorry, this is also wrong. So your regex should match A in Your regex should not match any characters. He made a farm screaming about it can't help you. Your regex should not match any characters. Let's give a small A and try this one. So let's look the help one. Get a hint. I'm sorry, so it should be, I forgot to mention this. I guess we will end up this session and we'll meet maybe next week from here. Let me make a note on my channel soon. From next week's session we'll start from here. So if you like this video, please provide your feedback on the comment section. I know I'm a beginner. This is a YouTube streaming, so you may find some difficulty in my pronunciation of the words, but I'll try to make it more better and better by providing more quality videos on tutorials. Again, I'm saying, like, if you like this video, please provide your feedback on the comment section. If you don't find the way I'm explaining is wrong, please also kindly provide a feedback on that. Thank you. We'll meet soon. Thanks.